Naniniwala ang ilang abogadong dumalo sa press conference sa Netherlands na mababa ang tsansang makabalik sa bansa si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dahil na rin sa kanyang kasong kinakaharap sa International Criminal Court. Yan ang balitang pambansa ni Vel Custodio ng PTV Manila.
Mababa ang tiyansa ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na makabalik sa Pilipinas. Ayon yan sa mga abogadong dumalo sa isang press conference sa Netherlands kasama ang ilang mga civic organizations na nakabase sa Europa. Sinabi ni Attorney Cristina Conti ng National Unions for People's Lawyers at Assistant Counsel sa mga biktima ng giyera kontra droga ni dating Pangulong Duterte na minor crimes sa gaya ng offenses against administration of justice lamang ang mga kaso na maaaring mag-grant ng interim release.
Crimes against humanity, crimes of aggression, genocide and war crimes. No interim release has been granted by the court for any of those accused of these crimes. So, from my point of view, there is zero probability that Sara Duterte or the Duterte camp could bring home Duterte by May 2025.
Naniniwala rin ng Center for International Law Philippines na hindi pa hihintulutan ng ICC ang interim release kung sakaling magsumite para rito ang kampo ng dating Pangulo.
Because the conditions for actually granting it are not there. There are still serious security concerns for the victims, for the potential witnesses. In fact, we have seen that online and in person. Secondly, Mr. Duterte, as stated in the arrest warrant, is still a very influential man.
Posible namang ma-freeze ang account ng dating Pangulo sa pamamagitan ng Anti-Money Laundering Council. Isa pa sa dapat abangan ay kung gagamitin ng kampo ng dating Pangulo ang grounds to exclude criminal responsibility.
He has to tell the court right now, by April 11, if intends to invoke insanity, incapacity, self-preservation, duress, alibi, and the like.
Dapat maisumite na ito ni Duterte bago ang confirmation of charges sa September 23. Mula sa People's Television Network, Vel Custodio, Balitang Pambansa.